Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to take ECG electrocardiogram test on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. So at the very beginning we should have it in our hand. It's important. So just give me a moment. Okay, now I have it here, and we have different ways to do that. The first way is to open the watch application. Okay, and here in this app we have our blood oxygen, heart, and here as you can see we have our heart application, and this is the most important thing in this. And as you can see, we should have ECG app installed. So status of this application should be installed. Okay, cool. If it's installed, now we can use it even just without the iPhone on our Apple Watch. But if it's not installed, you should click install button here. Okay, now you can click view ECG diagrams. Here you can see the history of all the diagrams. But now, if you wanna take a diagram right now, you should open Main menu on your Apple Watch, then find here ECG application. Here is the ECG app. Click on it, click OK, and place your finger on the crown. You even don't need to click the crown, but you can. Just wait for about 20 seconds. You should be still. It's better to sit still several minutes before taking the ECG to have better results and more accurate. And as you can see, in my case, ECG doesn't show signs of arterial fibrillation. Apple Watch can't check for signs of heart attack. It's very important to understand. And click done. And as you can see, there is my last diagram right here. I can see it, and I can check details. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video to support our channel. Bye, see you.